Hey guys, welcome back to our Chamonix travel series. We are SuprAash.
In this video, we will be covering two places. One is the beautiful views which you can see in the background of Mont-Blanc from Lac de Passy.
And the second one, Megève town.
Megève town is a nice luxury town close to Chamonix, and it still has a lot of Christmas decorations up, so it looks really beautiful at night.
So, if you would like to see both these places, please stick around.
Today we are exploring the beautiful town of Megeve.
We can see lot of shops around here and also lots and lots of snow as well. It looks like quite a happening town. Many people are around here shopping, eating, drinking. And you can also see a small snowman with lights. Still we can see lot of Christmas decoration lights as well, which is adding the beauty to the town. A very pretty and cute snowman.
You can see all the Christmas decorations still up. They look beautiful.
We have a horse carriage as well here. Now it's lit up and the town looks more beautiful. Now we are heading towards the big Christmas tree in the town. Christmas is already over. It's been almost 3 months, but here the lights are still on that Christmas tree. And you can also see how the colors are changing. It really looks very beautiful.
It's just like we travel back in time to celebrate Christmas again.
The Christmas tree right behind us, changing all the colors. It's really beautiful. If you ever come to Chamonix, we would definitely recommend this town. It's small, but it's very pretty. You can see the crowd around here. Today is a weekday and we see lots and lots of people around. So you can just imagine how it would be on a weekend.
And it's all lit up so beautifully. It looks so happening. A lot of people around, a lot of music, laughter, happiness. You have a nice ice skating rink over here where you can see a lot of people ice skating.
Imagine in the month of March, you can skate here outside.
It looks so happening and so nice, so lively.
It really took us back in time as if there's a Christmas season ongoing.
You can see a nice reindeer sled over here and a nice little snow woman or Santa Claus's helper waving out, trying to fly the reindeer sled. Sup is enjoying the warmth on this cold evening. You can see her expressions as she warms up. This is the club of Megeve. It's for the elite. As the saying goes, this too shall pass, and so our stay in Chamonix has come to an end as well.
If you like this Chamonix travel series, or if you would like to see something similar to this, please let us know in the comment section below.
And if you like this video, please like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.